Are you ready to spill the tea? Join us as we head over to Disneyland's Mad Tea Party.
The radical rotating adventure is one of our favorites in Fantasyland, especially if you're with a big group of friends. While it's not one of the most technically innovative rides in Disneyland, it's definitely one of the most satisfying.
Known by park-goers as the Teacups, the Mad Tea Party opened its gates to the public on July 17, 1955. Since then, this fantastical whirlabout has been serving up laughs and the occasional stomachache to guests of all ages.
The outdoor ride features 3 small turntables, each housing 6 colorful teacups. As the music begins, the turntables rotate and twist around each other. Passengers in the teacups can use a central wheel to spin their own cup at their desired speed.
As the ride is exclusively outdoors, Mad Tea Party ceases operation when it's raining.
Above the ride, a selection of colorful paper lanterns are strewn across the perfectly placed foliage. The lanterns illuminate at night, adding a fantastical glow to the surrounding area.
And make sure you have your camera ready to capture that great photo op as the background spins around you and your friends. Being able to control how quickly your cup rotates adds some extra fun, especially for the daring members of your group who want to go faster.
So grab your best friends and head over to Fantasyland. This ride is sure to bring out the inner child in all those who dare to twirl. We give the Mad Tea Party 7 out of 10 Mickey ears. Word to the wise though, make sure you can go with friends who won't be angry if you throw up on them.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great big beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.